Happy Friday once again, my Cash Cow family. Yes, I'm a little bitter. I'm a little bitter right now with Google ads and Microsoft ads and just the world in general. I'm going to dive into what has happened and what I'm going to try, which I've never tried before, which are Taboola ads. And I am signing up for an account as I speak with you. All right, let's go. But anyway, guys, let me tell you exactly what has happened. So I went into my merchant center on Google, and it was saying all my products were disapproved, and I thought it was a domain issue because that's what they said, but that's not the case because I requested a review or whatever you. And they haven't gotten back to me. But so I said, okay, well, let me just go ahead and try and create a shopping ad. And it cannot be done. There are certain words, guys, you cannot. Basically, what it said was you cannot post political content or what have you. Maybe I'll show you that or put it in a thumbnail or something. So then I'm like, okay, I'll try it in Microsoft Ads. Same frickin' thing, guys. And my ad is in review over there, but there's no way it's going to fly. Because as soon as you put in Trump, even the word freedom, guys, you cannot try to get clicks, or you cannot put that keyword, those keywords in your ads. What has happened to this world? It's absolute insanity. And I am, again, guys, that's not to say that it's not worldwide. But yet again, another reason I'm getting out of this country. It's asinine. But I do have a website. Anyway, guys, why I'm thinking of using Taboola ads is because you can, now these are display ads or native ads. So the ads have an image, and they, to the best of my knowledge, I've never used Taboola ads before. So we're kind of doing this together. But you can advertise on like CNN and major news sites. So I was thinking, and another reason I'm doing this is because Taboola has popped up on my phone this morning, like every ad on YouTube. So I'm like, all right, this is a sign. So we're going to give it a try. I'm just going to put like $100 towards it or something like that. And yeah, that's it. So obviously, you guys don't need to watch me do this. Now, obviously, guys, I'm going to have to do some research, do some YouTube watching to get this going. But again, well, I'll show you right here. This breaks my heart. I spent a lot of time creating the products and obviously the website. It's still not quite finished, obviously, but so fix one issue that caused your products to stop showing. Go to account issues. Accounts suspended due to policy violation, misrepresentation. That doesn't even matter. Let me go over to, I'm just going to go over to Titty's Golf ads account, Google ads account. Because I want to show you this, guys. This is insanity, and this is the way the world is going. This is called freedom of speech and expression, and it's going away, guys. I've said this a million times on this channel. So let me just go over to the keyword planner. They're probably hearing me right now, and I wouldn't doubt that either, guys. If you guys have a webcam or whatever, I would always, unless you're making a YouTube video like this, I would always keep it covered. And I certainly wouldn't have any Google devices like Google Home or Google, whatever they call it, and Alexa and all that. I threw my Alexa away like over a year ago. Because I can guarantee you they're listening to what you're saying. I don't know what the holdup is here, guys. Well, while I'm sitting here waiting for this to load, I'm thinking, and another reason why I'm making this video, guys, is you can learn from me, because I've said not everything always works out, but Had I been done proper research on the keywords that I was going to try and target, I wouldn't even have made the website. So that's kind of on me. But I didn't think in a million years I wouldn't even be able to use the word freedom in a frickin' ad or as a keyword. And so, guys, if you're new to all of this, make sure that you check that you can use the keywords that you're wanting to use for the website. And obviously, it's Trump. You can't even put the word Republican in there. It's absolutely insanity. And I actually thought that I tried just to put Biden in there because I know that Google is very biased, is very Democratic based or left wing based, and so is ChatGPT. If you guys didn't know, like I'll put something into ChatGPT about Trump, and it'll say that it's not allowed to give me any information or anything like that. As soon as I put in Biden or Kamala Harris or what have you, oh, shocking! It gives me plenty of information. Anyway, guys, I know I'm venting right here, but you're all I have to vent to. I just want to show you guys that what I'm telling you is 100% the truth, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. I actually added some new products to Titties Golf yesterday and changed some settings. Actually, a big setting I think is going to do. It's going to make we'll get more sales with the couple little tweaks that I did. Guys, let me just go into the keyword planner. I know I don't have to show you this, guys, but I'm just going to put in Trump. All keywords were removed. Try different keywords or a URL. It's on and on. You can't even put "Let's Go Brandon." And you could, because I made a hat for the Real Caddyshack.co, which I sold. If you're new here, you can't even do this. Guys, our freedom is gone. They are censoring everything. And I just want to do one more. What was it? Oh, freedom. I thought about it for a second. I thought it was going to go through, but as you can see, guys, absolute insanity. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that, and I will be making an ad, hopefully, about Taboola ads. So I'm going to do a little research this morning and try and figure that out, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right. Have a wonderful Friday, guys, and upcoming weekend, and just know that I love you all. And if you're new here, please hit that like button and subscribe, because I make these crazy ass videos kind of frequently. So anyway, love you all.